D here, and welcome to my very first ever De-Lish Dish video. And today's video is all about this little beauty. Let's get stuck in. First, you're going to start with 2 hard-boiled eggs. Add a teaspoon of curry powder, then give it a good mix. Next, we take a tablespoon of smooth peanut butter and spread over 3 rice corn thins. Now it's time to spread that curry egg mix over top. Don't worry, it ain't gonna fall off. The peanut butter will act just like glue. And finally, we sprinkle over your grated carrot. Voila! And there you have it, sauteed egg and carrot rice thin. Perfect for a lunch or a snack on the go, nice and easy to prepare and take with you for work or play. Enjoy. Oh, 4 o'clock.
Oh no!
Oh no! It's paused. Shall we put it back on? There you go. Sit it back down. Well done.